Hey you guys, thank y'all for tuning in. This is my review of Colette Reid's Goddess Power Oracle deck. Okay. This is a beautiful deck. I love the imagery by the imageries are made by Jenna. I don't want to butcher her last name, I'm not gonna say it. But it was a lot of controversy over this deck before I got it. I just got it I want to say in December 2019. But before I got it, I researched decks like what I'm doing now. I reviewed this deck, or researched a review of this deck, and there's a lot of controversy of like how flat they are. Like there's no emotion behind the eyes, no energy. But one video I came across, she was like, you know, you're not supposed to really get energy from the deck. You're supposed to put your own energy into it, and that's your true power lies. And it's when the words she used, it hit me. I'm like, hey, you know what? Like, no matter what energy or controversy around this deck, I could clear it and put my own energy and intent into it and make it my own. So that's why I went ahead and got this deck. No matter what the circumstances or what people were saying about it, so I went ahead and got it. It's a beautiful box packaging. You slide it off like that. Very, very beautiful. Like that. Comes in like that. The mystical, the magical, the numerous qualities of life is the domain of the fierce and creative, feminine aspect of the universe. Okay. And I love the triple moon goddess packaging on it. This the back. She has some diversity, but a lot of controversy over the Goddess Kali card. But it's okay. We're gonna move past that. Okay. And I'm gonna show you a few. This is what the back looks like. It's a quick review of the Goddess Power Oracle. I love it. I love the matte feel, the matte finish of the cards. I always wanted some cards like that. I can't wait to buy a tarot deck that's matte like that. I love this soft finish. I love it. It's thick, wide. It's wide. I'll shuffle. There you go. Here. And get a feel of it. I'm going to show you some of the goddesses that's in here. This is Métis, goddess of wisdom, Athena's mother. The images are beautiful. Like whoever the artist is of this deck, I wish she could make a tarot deck. This is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Mama Killer, the moon. Mama Kochi, water. Lilith, independence. Ye, the sun. White buffalo calf woman. Reverence. Okay. Some beautiful cards, y'all. And like I got my Athena card over here because I have a shrine made for Goddess Athena right here. And this is the card. Okay. And let's shuffle and let's see what goddess is speaking to the people. It's a nice deck, y'all. Like I say, I put my own energy into it. I cleared it when I got it. I love the messages that's in the book from this. Like I have a strong connections. I have a strong connections to the goddesses, and like I say, I'm linked to Goddess Athena. But I have a connection with a lot of them. Okay. Alright, let's see. Goddess, just reveal yourself. Give me one card for the collective consciousness for the people. What messages, Goddess, you want to relay to the people? Thank you, thank you, thank you. One card. Oh, there we go. Reveal yourself. Who is this? Ishtar. Communion. Beautiful. Beautiful. Take it in. Make sure I'm going to let y'all do y'all homework. You can research her and see what she about and see if she speaks to you or resonates with you on a personal level. Love, love, love the Goddess Ishtar. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all subscribe, share, like this video. Give me some feedbacks in the comment section. You can follow me on Instagram. It's said_God's wisdom. All of the description box will be filled with my information. If you want to book a reading with me, thank you for tuning in. Be blessed.